Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best Pixel Fold cases 2023 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Are you one of the many eager customers waiting to get your hands on the new Google Pixel Fold? If so, you're likely already aware of the sleek design and advanced features of this highly anticipated foldable smartphone. But have you considered how you'll protect this valuable investment? With the best Pixel Fold cases on the market, you can keep your Pixel Fold safe from damage while also personalizing its appearance. Whether you're looking for a rugged case to withstand drops and impacts or a stylish cover that shows off your personality, there are plenty of options to choose from. I have prepared this video guide for the best Pixel Fold cases, so let's get started. At number 5 is Casiology Parallax. If you are looking for a phone case that combines functionality and modern aesthetics, look no further than the Casiology Parallax line. Available for most mainstream smartphones, the Parallax line is especially designed to provide robust protection for your Google Pixel Fold 5G. The Casiology Parallax case is constructed with a blend of TPU and polycarbonate materials, ensuring that your phone is well protected from scratches, cracks, and other types of damage. The hinge coverage of this case also ensures that your Pixel Fold is safe from wear and tear caused by frequent folding and unfolding. At number 4 is Spigen Slim Armor Pro. Spigen Slim Armor Pro for the Pixel Fold is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a rugged option that can protect their phone from accidental drops. This case is designed with dual-layer protection, providing absolute protection to your Pixel Fold. The case also features air cushion technology that helps absorb any impact and prevent damage to your phone. With its all-new foam technology, the Slim Armor Pro for Pixel Fold adds an extra layer of shock resistance that can help prevent your phone from getting damaged due to accidental drops. This makes it an excellent choice for those who are prone to dropping their phone from higher heights. The case is also designed with hinge protection, which is essential for the Pixel Fold, as it protects the sensitive folding mechanism from damage. This feature ensures that your phone stays in excellent working condition, even after repeated use. At number 3 is Spigen Ultra Hybrid. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid case is perfect for those who want a simple, elegant way to keep their Pixel Fold safe without obscuring its design. The clear case allows you to show off the unique folding screen of the Pixel Fold while providing essential protection against scratches and chips. While this case may not be the ultimate solution for protecting your Pixel Fold from serious drops, it is a great option for those who want to balance protection with style. So if you're looking for a clear case that shows off the natural beauty of your Pixel Fold while still keeping it safe, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid for Pixel Fold may just be the perfect choice for you. At number 2 is Spigen Thin Fit. When it comes to protecting your precious smartphone, there is nothing more important than having a durable and reliable case. And when it comes to smartphone cases, Spigen is a brand that needs no introduction. Known for making some of the world's best smartphone cases, Spigen has once again come up with a gem of a find with the Thin Fit for the Google Pixel Fold. Crafted from a hybrid structure of PC and TPU with air cushion technology, the Spigen Thin Fit provides the perfect balance between form and function. The case is incredibly slim and lightweight, yet it offers excellent protection against minor drops and bumps, making it a must-have accessory for any Pixel Fold owner. At number 1 is Otterbox Thin Flex. Are you looking for a reliable and durable case to protect your Pixel Fold? Look no further than the Otterbox Thin Flex for Pixel Fold. Made to withstand several big falls, this case is known for its durability and added protection. One of the standout features of the Otterbox Thin Flex is its raised edges around both the interior and exterior screens. This means that your displays will avoid most full-screen shatters, as they won't be taking the full force of a drop. With added protection like this, you can rest easy knowing that your Pixel Fold is safe from accidental drops and impact. In addition to its durability, the Otterbox Thin Flex also boasts an ultra-slim design that won't add too much bulk to your phone. It's precision designed for foldable phones to ensure a perfect fit, and it also has lasting antimicrobial properties to protect the case against many common bacteria. While it won't protect you or your screen, it's a great added feature for those who are conscious about hygiene. So guys, this was the video about the best Pixel Fold cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.